package today, and I believe it's from Froppy. Colors are amazing. Froppy was so kind to offer me to send one of their gift boxes for me to try out some of their products. And if you don't know what Froppy is a Turkey-based brand that produces healthy snack options, and it was founded with the mission of making healthy eating something easy and something accessible for everyone. Now we're gonna be unboxing this huge bad boy here. It says, "Dear Kubra, this box is for you." Oh, this is so cute. We have some probiotic granola here, and I think it's peanut and chocolate. Oh my god, this is like the best combination ever. Other than that, I think we have some energy balls. Yes, coconut coated date balls with cashew paste. Oh my god, this sounds like the best snack on the world. Paleo mix, pecan nut, peanut, and cranberry. I think this is an energy bar. Yeah, it's a probiotic. Oh my god, I think I found my snack for today. Moving on, let's see what's in these. Oh my goodness. So this one right here is Camu Camu powder, and it says it contains high C vitamin. Oh my god. I will be researching how to use this in my foods. I'm just so excited to try this one out. And the most interesting thing is I never tried a kombucha drink before, and it says it contains some spices. Oh my god, this is amazing. Everything in the package is amazing, and I really didn't plan this, but my daisy tea here is just matching with all the other items. For the next task of the day, I think I will be grabbing this one to snack on. The last few days I've been snacking on like whatever we have at home. I go for healthy options. If I want to snack on something like fruits or nuts mostly, but if we don't have something, I still want to have some snacks. I still want to eat snacks. I love snacks so much. But if we don't have something healthy, I just go for unhealthy options, and I don't want that to happen. So thanks to Froppy again for saving my life today and saving my health. I'm just so grateful right now. It's time for me to organize this space and hopefully get some work done.